Welcome to the 2019 CEO interview with Global UAV CEO Mike Burns. My name is Trevor Hall, Marketing Director for the company. Happy New Year to everybody, and Mike, Happy New Year to you. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Trevor. Happy 2019.
This is our first kind of get together and chat in the new year. A lot of things happened in 2018. What was your analysis of last year, and what was some things that really got you excited about the company?
Yeah, 2018 was a really formative year for Global UAV. We accomplished a lot of structural changes in the company that are the foundation of setting us up for success going forwards, but also took care of some housekeeping that needed to be done in order to reduce costs on our revenue and increase our efficiency. So we had changes at the structural level up at Global UAV, and also in the services divisions and different subsidiary companies that we own, that were all positive and lean towards a leaner, more efficient organization overall. In addition to those changes, we had a lot of developments in the company. So some of the most notable ones, we grew to about 30 personnel overall. That's a pretty amazing accomplishment. We have a wonderful and pretty talented team under our wings that we're all really proud to be part of this company. In addition to that, services scope, we expanded into 10 countries in 4 continents, including Africa and Europe and South America, countries like Nigeria, Sudan, and Bulgaria, Serbia, Brazil, Argentina, Chile. So a really strong expansion internationally, which demonstrates how much market traction and in demand our drone services are, which is really rewarding for us as management to see how well adopted our technology is internationally.
Well, speaking of technologies, there was a great achievements and advances in some of the stuff that the teams have been working on, including the first flyover a major metropolitan area with a UAV. We also operated the ProScion using the 4G network, and then matched that by transferring data in real time using the cellular network during the Vineyard flight in the fall. But then at the end of the year, we did share a couple announcements. One, the ProScion was being looked at by a company called NOVAerial out in California. And then also we sent ProScion to Planck Aerosystems to do some research on precision landing. So we did leave a couple cliffhangers out there in the later part of 2018. Can you give us an update on where some of those things are right now with NOVAerial and the technology advancements with the ProScion?
Yeah, that's a great question, and one that we get asked quite a bit is what's the status of the ProScion development? Well, the market. And we're really happy to say that we're at the early stages of marketing that and starting to work on pushing sales of that product. So a lot of work and effort has gone into taking that from a prototype helicopter that was one of the best in class into the production-ready machine. It's now ready to hit the market, and we are setting up relationships and considering relationships with companies like NOVAerial for large-scale production when we need that capability. Part of our goal there is to go with domestic producers so that the government markets in North America, U.S. Defense markets and things like that stay open to us, which wouldn't be possible with overseas manufacturing. But in addition, there's been a huge amount of progress to refine that product, bring it up to spec for durability, production-wise, and also reaffirm its place as one of the class-leading helicopters in that space. The other side that we've been working on in terms of sales is adding technology to it that really makes it stand out. So Planck Aerosystems out of San Diego, California, they're one of the only companies in the world that really specializes in being able to make a UAV land and take off from a moving platform. So that's off out of the back of a truck or off of a trailer or off of a small boat, while it's cruising at fairly high speeds on the open ocean. And this really puts this platform into its own class as a great product for maritime use, for civil use along everything from border security to coast guards to cruise liners and ocean vessels for support, where you can now put a helicopter and have a thermal camera for search and rescue or security or inspection purposes on a ship that was never able to carry a helicopter before. So really cool opportunities that we're in front of.
And how about our services companies? What are they doing this part of January 2019?
Yeah, so into the new year, we've got a really strong start. We are currently working internationally. We've got active projects and crews in Argentina, Brazil, and California, with more international work on the horizon. That's been a really exciting development for the company, and we're excited to start off strong in 2019. So looking forward to all the work developments there.
Great. How about your goals as CEO of the company? What are your goals here the early part of the new year, Mike?
As a group of companies, Global UAV is really capitalizing on its vertically integrated structure right now, and that was assembled last year and put together and working efficiently. Now we're going after opportunities that each one of those companies could not do alone because of the synergy in what we offer to industry. So we're pushing out of the consumer market in terms of our services and our products, and we're really pushing into those professional industrial markets. So we're not going after $5,000-$10,000 job at a couple $100,000 procurements and going after large scale projects, and it's been successful. So that's really exciting to see the early stages of that grab on, and we look forward to continuing that strategy into 2019.
It's an exciting time to be a part of the company. It's even more an exciting time to be a shareholder of the company. And speaking of that, Global UAV is traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol UAV, and also on the US OTC markets with the symbol YRLLF. Mike, thank you so much for joining us and giving us your insight. We'll see you again hopefully later this month as we meet again in Vancouver over Roundup.
Thanks a lot, Trevor. Looking forward to seeing you there at the Innovation Hub.
Thank you.